Hi everybody, so today we're talking about groupthink, what it is, what steps we can take to prevent it, and we're also talking about a personal situation that I've had where I've experienced groupthink and how I overcame the situation. So basically groupthink is a group of people coming together and they're given a problem or a situation, and rather than choosing the best decision or the best outcome, they focus more on like the loyalty of the group and making sure that they have each other's backs rather than actually like coming up with like the best solution to the problem that they're given. So ways to prevent this is basically just, regardless of how hard it is, even if it's just like everybody comes up with their own list of ideas, like individually, so we're not hurting anybody's feelings, we're not focusing so much like on the loyalty. Like if everybody came up with 10 ideas or 10 solutions to the problem, then like coming together in a group discussion and then going over like the 10 ideas given, that would help prevent the like the favoritism, the loyalty, and it would really let's say like there's like 5 people in the group, so if that's 10 ideas per person, then that's 50 ideas in total, and I would hope one of them is bound to be a great solution to the problem that they were given. So my experience with this is that I work at the Chick-fil-A on campus in Stephenville, and there was one day that we ran completely out of cups. No cups at all. We couldn't make milkshakes, we couldn't make regular drinks, we couldn't make coffees, we couldn't make anything. So, excuse me. So whenever we were given this problem, the group basically had to like come together, and we all like were discussing ideas of how to obtain more cups. So my idea was just simply going to Walmart, getting some, just like the regular styrofoam cups, or even like the plastic cups, but just something that'll get us by, because we were expecting a truck the next day. So, just something to get us through the day and it would be fine. Well, we ultimately did not go with that idea, and we ultimately came up, since I am not a team leader, they respected the team leader more, and the team leader's idea was to basically drive to Glen Rose, which is about like, I would say 30 minutes away, and pick up cups at that Chick-fil-A and then drive back. So that's taking up about, I would say, an hour and 15 minutes of her time, and we really needed her help. We really would like her to be there because 1, she's the team lead, 2, because we were really busy and we needed all the help that we could get. We needed all hands on deck. And 3, just because we didn't want, her to have to drive all the way to Glen Rose and all the way back just for cups, which are found at Walmart. So ultimately, we did not go with, I would say, my creative idea of going to Walmart, and rather she drove all the way to Glen Rose, which took about an hour and 15 minutes of her time and our time. So I would say that is my example of groupthink. Yeah, so ultimately, like I said before, we went with her idea since she was the team leader and that she was well respected, so our loyalty went to her and her decision rather than mine. But, yep.